Hi, my name is Joe with Camco Manufacturing, and today I would like to talk to you about our EaseLift Elite Weight Distribution Hitch.
A weight distribution hitch is the single most important accessory that you can purchase for towing safety. It takes the weight from the trailer tongue and distributes it between your trailer's axle and your towing vehicle's axle. This improves handling, increases safety, and reduces sway.
Please read all warnings and instructions before installing. Keep the provided instructions manual in a safe place for future reference.
Before any assembly work can be started, you will want to make sure that your trailer is parked on a level surface and that the trailer is level as well. To determine the ball height, measure the trailer from ground level to top of the ball coupler. Write down the measured height. For every 100 pounds of tongue weight that you have, add 1/16 inch to your total height. Measure the front and back of towing vehicle before adding the hitch, making sure to write down all measurements to refer to later. The next step is to install shank into receiver. Connect hitch pin and spring clip. You will need to add a hitch ball at this time. You will need to match the hitch ball size to the coupler of the trailer. With ball attached to the mount, position on shank until the closest height of your original measurement is obtained. Insert bolt and nut in lower hole, but do not tighten. Next step is to set the ball angle. An angle must be set so that when spring bars are installed, they are parallel to the ground. Install the thumb screw all the way into the threaded hole in the ball mount. Back thumb screw out until desired angle is achieved. Once the desired angle is achieved, insert top bolt with serrated washer. Install second serrated washer and nut to secure unit in correct position. Tighten the 3/4 inch top bolt to 260 foot-pounds torque once head angle is set. Tighten the lower bolt to 260 foot-pounds torque. Next, you will install the spring bars into either side of the ball mount. There is no right or left bar. To install, hold bar under socket and push up. The spring bar will automatically be locked into position by the locking device. Check to make sure that the bar is locked in by moving it up and down from the chain end. To remove spring bars, swing the bar around towards the bumper and it will drop free. The quick hookup brackets can now be attached to the trailer. To find the correct location on trailer frame for installation, hold the chain straight up and free of twist. Center the hookup bracket on frame and finger tighten set screw. Using a wrench, tighten 1/4 turn only, do not over tighten. You are now ready to put tension on spring bars. Lower the hookup arm and slip link of chain over hook. The number of links on the chain depends on what it takes to get the spring bar level. 3 links hanging is optimal. To make hooking up easier and safer, raise front of trailer and back of towing vehicle above the level with trailer tongue jack. This removes some of the tension by reducing the distance between the spring bar and hookup arm. Insert lever bar over end of quick hookup arm. Lift and flip over center. Make sure that the hookup arm is completely seated and that the spring bar is pushed directly under the chain hook. Now install the hookup locking clip through the locking ears and over the hook. Release jack and check that the spring bars are level. By adjusting the chain links up or down, the desired levelness of the car and trailer will be gained. Remeasure the front and back of towing vehicle. Make sure that both front and back have settled the same amount or up to no more than 1 inch lower and back by adjusting the chain on spring bars. You have now distributed the trailer tongue weight on both axles of the towing vehicle. Be sure to grease spring bars and check all bolts for tightness regularly.
For more information, visit us online at camco.net.
Camco.net.